Hello students, now we will discuss about salivary glands of cockroach. Basically, the type of digestive glands that are associated with the alimentary canal of cockroach are of three types. First one, salivary glands. Second one, hepatic cecae. Third one, glandular cells of mesenteron or midgut or ventriculus. Now here we will start with salivary glands of cockroach. You'll write that point also. Digestive glands associated with alimentary canal of cockroach are first one, salivary glands. Second one, glandular cells of mesenteron. Coming to first one, salivary glands. Salivary glands has a pair of salivary glands attached on ventrolateral side. A pair. This is one and this is other one. So we are telling this is salivary glands of cockroach is a pair, means two in number. First one, salivary glands are a pair on ventrolateral side of crop. In alimentary canal, we see after pharynx, esophagus, there is a big sac-like structure called as crop. On that crop, on its ventral and lateral side, on either side of the crop, there is a pair of salivary glands. So, salivary glands have two lobes. This is one lobe and this is other lobe. Each salivary gland has two lobes, one lobe and second lobe. Each lobe has many lobules, 1, 2, 3 like this. Each lobe has many lobules. So, these are also called lobules along with other term, that is, means single one is called a sinus. Many are called this, many together are called acini. Now, this acini or the lobule, acinus, each one is a group of acinar cells and zymogen cells. Acinar cells, they secrete saliva that has amylase enzyme. Zymogen cells, they secrete the digestive enzymes. We know that amylase digests carbohydrates. Now, these acinus, each acinus or all the acini will be having some ductules. These are ductules. They all open into so there are two number of common salivary duct, this one and this one. Lobes are two, 1 and 2. Acini are many. Acinus is single. So they have ductules. Each acinus has ductule that finally opens into common salivary duct. This common salivary duct opens into a median salivary duct. This one. 1 and 2 are opening into common duct. Median salivary duct. Now, this median salivary duct opens into a common receptacular duct. So this is common receptacular duct. Now we will say about that. Between two lobes, there is one big sac-like structure that is called as receptacle. Receptacle stores the saliva. It is also called as reservoir duct. Its function is stores saliva. This leads into called receptacular duct. Receptacular duct. Two number of receptacular ducts. They open into common receptacular duct. Now, we should draw somewhat link here. Now, this median salivary duct. Median salivary duct, it opens into common receptacular duct. Both of them combinedly opens into efferent salivary duct. Efferent salivary duct. Efferent salivary duct opens into hypopharynx. So this structure is hypopharynx. You'll write some of the points related to that. Here we have written about acinus. Now, so acinus is a group of acinar cells and zymogen cells that we have written here. All acini have ductules. These ductules open into common salivary duct. Two common salivary duct on either side of crop, because we know that salivary glands are present on either side of crop. On either side unite to form into median salivary duct. Median salivary duct now opens into common receptacular duct. Now, both median salivary duct and common receptacular duct opens into efferent salivary duct. These both together open into efferent salivary duct. Now, this efferent salivary duct opens into hypopharynx. Hypopharynx is tongue. We also give other term like tongue for hypopharynx. There are some other terms. This receptacle is also called as reservoir duct. Now, common receptacular duct. It is also called as common reservoir duct. So, we have written here, also called common reservoir duct. So these are points related to structure of salivary glands. Second one, hepatic cecae. Hepatic cecae are located at the junction of foregut and midgut. These are 6 to 8 in number on either side. So hepatic cecae has secretory and absorptive or absorbing cells. Next one, glandular cells of mesenteron. Mesenteron also called as ventriculus or midgut. So glandular cells of mesenteron, they secrete amylase, maltase, next invertase, proteases and lipases. We will write few like maltase, invertase, proteases, lipases. First one, maltase converts or digests maltose into 2 glucose units. Invertase also called as sucrase. It converts sucrose into 1 glucose unit plus 1 fructose unit. Next, proteases converts proteins into amino acids. Next, lipases converts lipids into fatty acid and glycerol. Apart from that, in the hindgut, there are flora, normal bacteria, some of the bacteria that are secreting cellulases. That cellulase will digest the cellulose present in the digesting food material. So, in hindgut, special bacteria is present that secretes cellulase. Now the cellulase converts cellulose into glucose units. So these are few types of digestive glands and also the secreting cells and also the secreting the enzymes that are required for digestion.